broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Flutter, flutter. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself.
This is how you can also put numbers to boxes with your bees.
This is a box. There are two kinds of boxes you can use. You can either use a plastic one or a wooden one. We totally prefer the wooden one because it's more natural. Bees are in nature, they always used to live in woods. Why put something human-made, a plastic one? There are three parts of it. It's the base, the main box, and the upper part, all made out of wood. So, what we do to color them? To color them, it's not just to make it beautiful, it's to sustain it, to make it have lots of durability. And by taking care of it good, by coloring it good and properly and correct, that means that you are saving money eventually. You don't have to change the seed because it's totally damaged after 2-3 years. It can even last lots of years. So what we do? First of all, first layer is of linseed oil, also known as flaxseed oil. In Greece we call it lineleo, and this oil we put it inside and outside, both places of the main wood, and also to the up and down part. After you put it, you have to leave it for about, in summer times 3 days, in winter times 5 or 7 days, so the wood absorbs all the oil and closes all the small holes that wood has. The holes closed, the wood can't rotten, and your wood will stay alive longer. The second part, we put primer 2 times. In Greece it's called astari. That is actually really watered white color. 2 layers of that. You can leave it to rest 1 day, second day put the second layer. Some people, instead of astari, they use paraffin, in Greece called paraffin. With paraffin you have to use it only 1 layer, then after all this there are 2 more layers left of coloring it. I'm gonna tell you a trick that I've seen with time passing. If you can see, here it's not colored, here is not colored, but this part here is colored. This is because of the humidity and water usually gathers around on the corners of the down part of our beehive, and this is where the wood is damaged and destroyed. So by putting some color here, you can prevent this from happening and your box can live much longer. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video.